Hello friends, it's Daryl, and yes, that is snow you see covering everything in sight, only a couple inches. Today we have an outdoor project we're going to do because I really want to get this repaired. This is the 2008 Mercury Mariner, same as the Ford Escape, and the back hatchback is no longer locking. Just reach down, grab it, and it lifts right up. The problem is a broken latch mechanism. Here's the ad for the part on Amazon, and don't pay too much attention to the description because the years that it's supposed to fit are wrong. This will fit all models between 2008 and 2012. First step of the job is to remove this tan-colored back trim cover over your hatchback. I've never had to back off one of these before, so let's see what happens. Oh, that came out real easy. Once you get the screws out, you just grasp it firmly and pull down until it comes loose. Grasp it and pull, like so. Let's get these 3 Torx bit screws out. This will be an easy job. Famous last words, right? The impact driver pulled them right out. There we go. I used a T25 Torx bit. I'm thinking it might actually be a T27. And all 3 of them came right out, even though you can see they have a little bit of the blue Loctite on them. All right, now we should be able to just reach up in here and move that latch mechanism back up and out by grabbing a hold of the cable. There we go, it drops down, and we've got 2 connectors on it, a squeeze connector on the side and another one on top. The parts are exactly the same. Actually, we should start with it in this position here so that the latch is facing the right way. So we'll go up in here like this, hold it in place while we hook up the wires. Next, we line it up with the holes before our fingers get too numb here, like so. So it's lined up with the holes. And then we hand start all 3 screws and then tighten them. Just snugly at first. Oops. Snugly at first, Daryl. And then once all 3 are tightened, we'll give them an all extra little. We don't want to break them off in there. But you want them good and tight so they don't come loose either. Are almost done. Can you believe we're almost done with this fast? I can't believe this myself. Next step is to carefully line this plastic trim back up. Ah, here comes my cameraman. Next step is to carefully line the trim panel up and put it back in the position. And that uses just your hands to tap it in. Next step in the finishing the project, there are the 4 trim screws that go through the end here. And since they're so easy to put it out, we're not even going to bother getting the impact gun on them. It's time to give it a test and see if it actually latches. Look at that, nice and solid, super smooth. So now we gotta see if it opens. Well, it's stuck tight, that's good. Let's hit the button. But, oh, it's perfect. In and out, locked again. And here's our old one. I'm going to put a link at the description of the video to Amazon, so you can just click on it and buy one of these. Every one of the descriptions for these states the wrong fitment years. This part will fit all Escape, Mariner, and Tributes, regardless of drivetrain, between 2008 and 2012. I was told that you should also double check these before you replace them, because sometimes they're just dirty inside and need to be cleaned out. A little lube, a little cleaning, some compressed air, then you might be able to get it to free up and open up. This one wouldn't lock. That's why this one had to be replaced. Sometimes the electronic module goes bad on top too, so there's several reasons why you might want to replace one of these. But very basic tools for this job: a Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun, and a T25 or T27 Torx bit. It'll probably take you less than 20 minutes. I saw the part of Advanced Auto for 116, and you know any shop's going to make a markup on that, probably at least 50%, you think?
20-30% markup.
At least $25-$30 markup, so that's going to be $150. And then an hour to labor to fix it. Even if they only charge you a half hour, that's $50 or $60 to change it. So yeah, we're looking at $200 easy, maybe even as much as $225 to $250 to fix this at a shop. And you can do it yourself for under 30 bucks. Probably take you about 20 minutes, maybe a little longer. And I hope you enjoy these videos to help you save money, because I like making these and they seem to be pretty popular. If you want to help me out, give me a like and a subscribe on